Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with UNice hair. They sent me this brown highlight 20-inch EasiContour V-part wig. This wig does come in a jerry curly texture and it is 180% density. So this is the wig straight out of the box, the curl pattern that you see. I think the curl pattern is very beautiful and I think the highlights on this wig are very well done. I really like how the highlights are done, like how it goes from dark roots to the highlights. I think it's blended very well. Here is the inside construction of the wig cap. You have 2 combs at the top and 2 clips. You also have 2 side combs on this wig as well, an adjustable elastic band, and it does have a drawstring back so that you can really cinch this wig and get a good fit to your head. The hair is also flipped over the V part so that it's more of a seamless blend than it would be if it were just that lace there, which I do appreciate because it helps the wig to look more natural. So I did wash this wig before wearing it just because I wanted to get any of that shed hair out. I do notice that when I install curly wigs, they do tend to shed more whenever I don't wash them first before trying to style. So I wanted to go ahead and wash it first so that while styling, I wasn't dealing with a bunch of shed hair. So I just put this wig on and pulled the drawstring to get it tight, and this is what it's looking like. I am not able to do a leave out with this wig. I tried, but since my hair is so short, I did a big chop, so I'm growing it out. It did not look good at all. So what I had to do was just part my hair down the middle and then clip the wig onto my hair directly because my hair is too short to braid as well. In the end, it worked out for me, but I will say that if they're gonna have the combs and the clips on this wig, I would definitely flip them so that the clip is in the front and the comb is behind the clip, because having to install it like this, the front comb was definitely slipping out of my hair. It was kind of like very tedious to get it to stay. So I would definitely recommend that they flipped the clips or either just do clips, because some people can't braid their hair to install it with the comb. So definitely flip them or just do clips, but I did get it to work. So for the styling, I just went in and wet the hair down in just 2 big sections, and I put in some Lotta Body mousse. Here is the texture, very, very pretty. Again, this is jerry curly texture, and I'm going to be diffusing the hair as well to get it big and voluminous like I want. I do feel like the wig looked pretty natural towards the end. I actually really liked it. Like I said, I really like the color as well. Yeah, I think it turned out to look really, really good. I was kind of nervous about how it was going to look with the part because of the comb situation, but like I said, I got it together. I got it to stay after I tightened the adjustable elastic band and the drawstring in the back. I got it real good and tight to my head, and I think it turned out to be really beautiful. I did cut the hair a little bit throughout just to kind of give some layering, just some dimension or shape. I did a little bit of that, and I think it turned out so pretty. You guys will see this video isn't very long, so once I go through and diffuse it, it'll look so great. So I'm going to have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys, the direct link to this wig, the specs, the details, everything. Let me know what you think. I definitely wish I could have did a leave out though. I can't wait till I can do leave out again and just get rid of the lace, because lace gets annoying. V-part wigs, half wigs, all of that, that's where it's at. That's definitely where it's at. I definitely recommend that you get a V-part wig that matches your texture, and you're definitely gonna fall in love with it. I absolutely guarantee it's gonna look so natural and you're just gonna love it. So again, everything will be down below in the description box for you guys. The direct link to this wig on UNice's website. Make sure you check them out. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye guys.